In this video, we're going to show you how to play one block on Minecraft. So the easiest way to do this is to go to your browser, any browser on your PC or Mac, and just type CurseForge on Google and install this app. So CurseForge is an app where you can choose when you install mods properly to your game, whether it's Minecraft, Stardew Valley, The Sims 4, or World of Warcraft. So we're doing a Minecraft video, so click on Minecraft. And as you can see here, we have mods installed. These are the mod packs that I've installed on my Minecraft game. And as you can see, we already have all-in-one. So this is a modded one block Minecraft mod that we're going to play later. But to download one block, and there's a lot of different variations of one block. What you want to do is click on browse here beside my mod packs. And as you can see here, these are the mod packs that are featured. There's a lot of them. So what you want to do is on this search bar here on top is just type one block, right? And it's going to show you, as you can see here, this is the one that we've uploaded, that we've downloaded and installed. And there's other one block, as you can see here, Lucky Block Challenge, one block MC. So if, for example, this is the one block Minecraft Survival you want to try out, just click install. As you can see here, it's installing, right? Downloading one block MC. As you can see here, this takes a while, especially mods that have a lot of, mod packs that have a lot of mods. So as you can see here, we're downloading, there's one of 25, 25. So let's wait for it to download, to finish. All right, as you can see, it is now installed. So what you want to do is just click on play. And as you can see, it's opened. It automatically opened the Minecraft launcher. And let's just wait for it to load, because it does take a bit of time. Even though you have a good PC, I have a good PC now. So as you can see here, one block MC. Just click play, and just click I understand, and click play again, and wait for it to be prepared. See here. And there you go. It is loading up. So this is a tip. This is a normal site. This is a normal screen if you're playing a mod pack on CurseForge or any other mod pack for that matter. Almost done. And there you go. So we are now here. So click single player and click my one block, right? Creating the world. So it crashed. Let's do that again. So that error code 1 is a big pain in the butt for everybody. For everybody. Right? So let's try that again. And you're seeing it in real time. Some mods work, some don't. But if it doesn't work, this one, if this one doesn't work, we have another one that I've installed previously, so we can check that out to see. It's the same process, right? So single player, create new world. It probably won't work again, because when that happens, this is probably a normal game, but let's try it out still. You know, it's a learning process for everybody. As you can see, it's not working, right? But here's the thing. If you go back to your mod packs, you have one block MC, right? So let's just delete that. You have all in one block, so click play. It's the same thing, right? But this one works. So wait for it to load. As you can see, all in one, play. I don't need to click on anything anymore because I already have a existing game, but we're going to create a new game anyway to show you guys how it's done. Okay, let's wait for it. Takes a bit of time for it to load. but it does work. So error code 1 pretty much has no, you can try a lot of things, but it like if mod packs don't work with error code 1, it's not gonna work. You just need to find a better or an alternative for that mod pack that you're trying out. Like that one doesn't work, but this one does. So error code 1 for Minecraft is really weird. Like even if you reinstall Minecraft, even if you reinstall CurseForge, even if your graphics drivers, everything is updated on your PC, even if you uninstall and reinstall the latest Java, it still doesn't work. So wait for this one. There you go. Click no. So again, click single player. As you can see here, we have a world here, like what I said. But let's click new create world. New world. There you go. And it's preparing for world creation. Right. Joining world. And as you can see here, this is one block, right? So one block is pretty much a small square of land, and then you have an infinity block here that randomly generates a block once you punch it. As you can see, this is sand, leaf. Oh, we got a chicken. We got dirt. So the thing about this is like you just want to get dirt a lot at the beginning, and you just need to expand. As you can see here, this is our water source. Some blocks they have it on the stage itself. As you can see, we can't use this because like this is, yeah, see, we can't use that, but you can use dirt and clay. So the whole thing is just, just build around for the first day until, until you have a proper base. So as you can see here, the water is down here. So let's just make a staircase down. And you can access the water now. So you just punch this one block in the middle. There's a lot of guides out there where you can just, watch them, read it. But the thing about it is this is pretty much just surviving in this and expanding on this. As you can see, we already have chicken, so it's gonna lay eggs. I'm not gonna kill this guy. But again, you need to just do this until the block that you want. As you can see, we're just getting dirt, so just expand on your base, hopefully getting something good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.